Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the concept of mathematical expectation or simply expectation or expected value of a random variable. In particular, I'm going to talk about the expectation of a simple random variable. Up till now, we have studied the concept of probability as a function, its properties, the concept of a probability space, random variable as a function defined on a probability space, its probability distribution, and distribution function. The next most important and perhaps the most important concept in probability theory is the concept of expectation of a random variable or probability distribution. It is also referred to as the mean or the average value of the random variable or its probability distribution. The concept of expectation is developed in three stages. Stage 1, first we talk about expectation of a simple random variable. A random variable is said to be simple if it takes finitely many values with probability 1. That is, it is a discrete random variable taking only finitely many values. For example, a Bernoulli random variable or a binomial random variable. But as you know, there are random variables which can take infinitely many values. For example, a Poisson random variable or a continuous random variable can take uncountably many values, like uniform distribution or a normal distribution, a random variable following these distributions. So first we define the expectation of a simple random variable, then we define the expectation of a non-negative valued random variable, then in the last stage the concept is generalized to the definition of expectation of a real valued random variable. So that will be the most general case. However, in this CBCT course or CBCS course, we would be studying the concept of expectation for this simple random variable, and then for non-negative valued random variable, and in particular for any discrete random variable. We may not be in a position to generalize the concept to the expectation of any real valued random variable. However, I will convince you that this concept of expectation of a simple random variable has many applications in probability statistics and also in the context of finance. So let us get started with the definition of expectation of a simple random variable. That is a random variable taking finitely many values with probabilities, positive probabilities which add up to 1. Thank you. So this is my first step.